Do you know that India is expected to become the next global powerhouse for manufacturing? Today, let's explore the exciting world of manufacturing. From playing with nuts and bolts to inventing gizmos that make the imagination dance, we'll explore the thrilling adventure of those who bring dreams to life on the factory floor. Let's ignite your passion for all things industrial. What is manufacturing? Manufacturing involves the creation of products ranging from small consumer goods to large industrial equipment. The process typically involves designing, engineering, producing, and distributing goods. The manufacturing industry is one of the largest industries in the world and plays a critical role in the economy of India. What does a manufacturing professional do? The job responsibilities of a manufacturing professional involve overseeing various aspects of the production process to ensure efficient and high quality manufacturing operations. Their goal is to drive productivity, quality, and efficiency in the manufacturing process. They are responsible for planning and scheduling production activities, monitoring and optimizing production lines, managing inventory levels, and coordinating with different departments to meet production targets. They implement and maintain quality control procedures, ensuring compliance with safety regulations and identifying opportunities for process improvement. They train and supervise manufacturing staff, troubleshoot production issues, and collaborate with engineering teams to introduce new products or technologies. What are the skills required in this industry? In the manufacturing industry, essential skills include technical expertise, proficiency in operating machinery and equipment, knowledge of quality control and assurance, problem-solving abilities, attention to detail, teamwork and collaboration, adaptability to changing technologies and processes, understanding of safety protocols, time management, communication skills, and the ability to interpret and follow instructions accurately. Additionally, a strong work ethic, efficiency, and a commitment to continuous improvement are highly valued in the manufacturing sector. How to proceed in this career? To become a professional in the manufacturing industry, there are several steps you can take to develop your skills and knowledge. Here is a roadmap to becoming a professional in the manufacturing industry. A bachelor's degree in engineering, manufacturing, or a related field can provide you with a solid foundation of knowledge and skills in manufacturing. Some popular degrees in this field include mechanical engineering, industrial engineering, manufacturing engineering, and production engineering. While pursuing your degree, try to gain hands-on experience in the manufacturing industry by working on projects, internships, or co-op opportunities and participating in relevant extracurricular activities. This will help you develop practical skills and knowledge in the field. Several industry-specific certifications can help you demonstrate your expertise in specific areas of manufacturing. Some examples include Six Sigma, Lean Manufacturing, and Project Management. The manufacturing industry is constantly evolving, and it is important to stay up to date with the latest trends, technologies, and practices by attending industry conferences, reading industry publications, and networking with industry professionals. If you are interested in advancing to high-level roles in manufacturing, pursuing a master's degree in relevant field can help you develop the necessary skills and knowledge to do so. Generally, the salary progression follows a trajectory where individuals can expect an increase in their earnings as they gain more experience and expertise in their field. Here is a general overview of the salary progression in the manufacturing profession in India. Fresh graduates or individuals with minimal experience typically start their careers in entry-level positions such as production trainees, quality control inspectors, or shop floor operators. The salary range for these roles can vary from INR 2.5 lakhs to 4.5 lakhs per annum. As individuals gain a few years of experience and start taking on more responsibilities, they can move into junior level roles such as production supervisors, process engineers, or quality analysts. The salary range for these positions is typically between 4.5 lakhs to 8 lakhs per annum. Professionals can progress to mid-level positions such as production managers, manufacturing engineers, or operations supervisors. The salary range for these roles can vary from 8 lakh to 15 lakh per annum. Senior level positions include roles such as plant managers, operations directors, or supply chain managers. The salary range for senior level positions in the manufacturing profession can range from 15 lakhs to 30 lakhs per annum. Leadership and executive positions include Chief Operations Officer, Vice President of Manufacturing, or General Manager. The salary for such leadership positions can vary significantly depending on the size and reputation of the company, but it can range from 30 lakhs to several crores per annum. India's growing population, rising middle class, and increasing consumer demand create a strong domestic market for manufactured goods. The government's Make in India initiative promotes manufacturing, attracting foreign direct investment and boosting job opportunities. India's favorable demographic dividend with a large young workforce provides a skilled talent pool for the manufacturing sector. Additionally, advancements in technology and automation are transforming the industry, requiring skilled professionals in areas like robotics, artificial intelligence, and data analytics. The government's focus on skill development further enhances the career prospects for manufacturing professionals in India. And there you have it, future manufacturers of the world. Remember, in this wacky world of assembly lines and widgets, you can be the mad scientist of creation, the wizards of efficiency, and the masters of turning dreams into reality. Embrace your quirks and keep manufacturing magic alive. We hope this video has been informative for you.